Fireplace soot buildup on interior surfaces can seriously mess with your home's vibe and air quality if you don't keep up with regular cleaning. So, the first thing you want to do is grab a stiff bristled brush or a vacuum with a hose attachment to get rid of loose soot before it spreads everywhere. When you're ready for a deeper clean, mix some warm water with a bit of dish soap or white vinegar. It's perfect for breaking down that stubborn soot without harsh chemicals. Remember to wear gloves and maybe a mask because soot dust is super messy and can irritate your skin or lungs. Don't forget to cover your surrounding floor and furniture with old towels or newspapers so you're not left scrubbing soot stains all over your place. Scrub gently but firmly in small sections and rinse with a clean damp cloth to avoid streaks. For tougher soot stains, a paste made from baking soda and water works wonders. Just let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Make sure your fireplace is completely cool before cleaning to avoid accidents. And keep the chimney checked yearly. A clean chimney means less soot buildup inside your fireplace. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace soot buildup is ignoring regular cleaning, which lets soot pile up and become super hard to remove. Fix that by setting a cleaning schedule, maybe every couple of weeks during heavy use. Another issue is using harsh chemicals that can damage your fireplace's interior surface or leave dangerous residues. Stick to gentle, natural cleaners like vinegar or baking soda instead. The third common problem is not protecting your furniture and floor around the fireplace, which leads to messy soot stains that are a nightmare to clean. Always cover nearby areas before you start scrubbing. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with fireplaces and all kinds of home projects. Contractors also get connected with real customers looking for work, so everyone wins without the usual hassle.